Oh, jeez.
The only difference in these are, other than you can see a little bit about the trees. It's
about
just
done.
crisper.
Yes.
We got Dara, Dara Wave, and Janet, and the purple one is over there. Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Hey, little Prince, we see you.
So they're day
And the
old.
big buffet behind. Huh?
So real quick about the banana pudding pie, it was recently featured on the Food Network. Linda was demonstrating on the Food Network. I knew that Linda was part of the program on the top five. The top five is it's the second season of their Food Network airing. Jake's got the Croquembouche over there. Just a quick little brief history of the Croquembouche. It's
So those turkey burgers or something?
we had a
What are
lot of
those?
fun with our
Those are
cookie
seafood
class
cakes.
yesterday,
Oh, wow. Okay.
baking these. So we decided that we were going to put one out here for everybody to try, and they're actually really good. You just pull off the little profiteroles, which are
A 980 tonight. Not in theory, but in practicality, right there. I was gripping the arms on the side of that auditorium seat so hard the bones were about to pop through the back of my skin. I would get a big breath and hold it as long as I could, and then I'd get another breath. I thought, if he'll let us go now, I'll make a run for it. Well, there couldn't have been anything else to tell us.
This land is made for you and me. As I was walking down the highway of the lonely Golden Valley. On that road, we need to get on that road. It's over there.
My phone is dead, Alan. Take a lot of pictures. Somebody take pictures. How could my phone be dead? Is that real? Yes. I told you they're massive.
It's been worth it. Thank you for getting us lost.
Could you blow that up? Get a little closer. Hey, baby. It's a girl. Hey, baby. Wow. We all wanted to see elk. That's why this happened the way it did. Or a cross between a cow and a horse. It's a big deal.